Gravimetric analysis describes a set of methods used in analytical chemistry for the quantitative determination of an analyte based on its mass. The process of measuring the amount of an analyte by its mass. It is a quantitative determination, and the desired constituent in a liquid is converted to a solid form that can easily be separated and weighed in order to determine the amount of it, and that the solid mass can be used for further analysis and give the final result in grams. Volatilisation is the process whereby a dissolved sample is vaporized, or the conversion of a liquid chemical into a vapor, which escapes into the atmosphere. It is basically a change from liquid to vapor. Functions of the concentration of a contaminant in a solution and the contaminant's partial pressure. The difference from the two processes is the gravimetric analysis is the use to determine the amount of analyte by the mass, and it involves formation of solid mass known as precipitate, while the volatilization is the use of process to convert liquid into vapor or gas for analysis or samples that will be used in experiments by the scientists. Peptization is the process responsible for the formation of stable dispersion of colloidal particles in dispersion medium. It is also called deflocculation, and it is a process responsible for the formation of converting precipitate into colloid by shaking with it an electrolyte. This is particularly important in colloid chemistry or for precipitation reactions in aqueous solutions. Peptization is a process of passing of a precipitate into colloidal particles on adding suitable electrolyte. The electrolyte added is known as peptizing agent. Coagulation or flocculation is a chemical water treatment technique applied prior to sedimentation and filtration. Its basic purpose is to increase the efficiency of the treatment process. Chemicals or coagulants are added to the water to bring the non-setting particles together into larger, heavier masses of solids, called floc. The process of the coagulation is a step in which chemicals are added that cause small particles suspended in the water to clump together. It is used in water treatment or other liquid chemicals processes to improve the sedimentation or filterability of small particles that can be used for analysis. And the peptization is the purpose of finding or converting the precipitate into smaller particles by shaking it to form stable colloids by the use of electrolyte.